Hey there and welcome. If you're planning on hosting a Poshmark live show, you'll want to make sure all the potential shoppers know it. I will give you some tips on how to advertise your Poshmark live or silent show. And first, you need a catchy hook. How does this sound? Hey there fashionistas, are you ready for some serious shopping excitement? If you're a fan of Poshmark and love finding amazing deals on fashion, then you won't want to miss my upcoming live show. Get ready to shop till you drop and score some incredible deals on designer pieces, trendy accessories, and more at affordable prices. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready to join me for an unforgettable shopping experience. Don't miss out on the fun. Check out my closet at Alina Leonardo for details and show times, and I'll see you at my Poshmark live show. You can use this, by the way, I got it from ChatGPT. You know, that thing that's gonna overtake our world. Just kidding. Not. Now, on a more genuine note, I will tell you about an amazing closet I came across yesterday. Stay tuned and you will find out why this is so relevant for you. But first, here is what you can do to get viewers interested in your upcoming live or silent shows. Start your campaign 1 or 2 days before. Create a social media plan and decide which social media platform you want to use to promote your Poshmark live show or silent show. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook are all great options, and use eye-catching graphics or whichever platform you feel more comfortable using. Use eye-catching graphics. People are more likely to stop scrolling if they see an eye-catching graphic. Use a tool like Canva, Livecollage, or Photoroom to create graphics that promote your show. Make sure to include the date, time, and a catchy phrase that will grab people's attention. To catch your viewers' attention, besides following a lot of Poshmark shoppers, is to utilize one of these 2 hooks. Either promote very cheap prices for the starting bids, or throw in some of the more popular brand name pieces you might have in your closet. Or both. People respond usually to both, but do not clutter your advertisement. Keep it simple and try to invoke curiosity. Utilize Instagram stories. It's a great way to promote your Poshmark show. Use the swipe up feature to direct viewers to your Poshmark page where they can watch your live show. You can also use Instagram's countdown feature to create excitement leading up to the show. Collaborating with other Poshmark sellers can help increase your reach. Reach out to sellers who have a similar audience and ask if they would be willing to promote your live show on their social media platforms. In return, you can offer to promote one of their Poshmark listings or live shows. Use relevant hashtags. They are a great way to reach a larger audience. Hashtags like Poshmark Live, hashtag Poshmark Seller, and hashtag Poshmark Community, to just name a few that are more important, can help people find your show faster. Another way to spark curiosity with your viewers is share behind the scenes footage. Show your followers what goes on behind the scenes leading up to your live show by creating short videos or reels. This could include setting up your workspace, picking out pieces or outfits to feature. This will help build excitement leading up to the show. You can use the CapCut app to do short videos or to edit them. And last but not least, I have a surprise for you, and I left this at the end because after you watch this video, I want you to go back to Poshmark and check out Lindsay's closet. The name is The ePoshaholic, and besides the fact that I adore her closet aesthetic and pieces, the first listing is the best example of how to advertise your upcoming show on Poshmark. I did a very short video to show you, but I will link her closet in the description box down below if you want some inspiration or if you feel like shopping.
Overall, the aesthetic is very inviting, prices are great, and as you see, the first listing has more than one purpose, and that's what I wanted to show you. It advertises a huge sale, it gives her upcoming event schedule, it asks people to like the listing to get notified of upcoming closet sales, and if you click on it, you will see it gets a little personal, giving you a little personal insight and building a little trust, plus her adorable babies are just too cute. Interacting with other Poshers is crucial, and she has built an audience of over 350 potential Poshers only within this listing that are likely to support her live or silent shows or participate to her closet sale events. So take a moment to browse her closet and get some inspiration, and even say hello from Alina.
And here you are. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Alina. I enjoy sharing my knowledge about reselling with you and help you on your own reselling journey. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found some valuable information in it. Good luck and happy selling. See you next time. Bye.